In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up traffic ticket online in Philadelphia. If you need to find a traffic ticket online, the first thing to know is that Philadelphia uses different systems depending on the type of ticket you received. So before you begin, make sure you know whether you're dealing with a moving traffic violation or a parking, red light, or speed camera ticket. That distinction matters because it determines which website you should use. For moving traffic violations, like speeding, running a stop sign, or other citations handled through the court system, you'll want to use the PAEPay traffic ticket search system. This is the official online portal used to look up and pay those types of tickets. The most important thing here is accuracy. You'll typically need the exact citation number to find your ticket in the PAEPay system, so have that ready before you start. Entering even one incorrect digit can prevent the ticket from appearing, so it's a good idea to double check the number carefully. It's also helpful to understand that these moving violations are generally managed by the Philadelphia Municipal Court Traffic Division, which is why they appear in the PAEPay portal rather than somewhere else. If your goal is simply to locate the ticket details, this is the correct place to begin for those court-related traffic citations. Now, if your ticket is for parking, a red light camera, or a speed camera violation, that's a different process. Those tickets are not handled through PAEPay. Instead, they're managed by the Philadelphia Parking Authority, often called the PPA. For those, you'll need to go to the Philadelphia Parking Authority Violations portal. That is the correct place to search for the ticket, review the details, and if needed, dispute it. So again, the key is matching the ticket type to the right portal. Use PAEPay for moving traffic violations, and use the Philadelphia Parking Authority portal for parking, red light, and speed camera tickets. If you don't have your citation number, there is still another option. You can search by name using the Unified Judicial System of Pennsylvania online portal. This can be useful if you've misplaced the ticket or don't have the citation number in front of you. Just be sure to enter your information carefully so the search results are as accurate as possible. As a final tip, always use official Pennsylvania court or Philadelphia Parking Authority websites when looking up ticket information online. That helps you avoid confusion and make sure you're viewing the most reliable and up-to-date information. Once you've confirmed what kind of ticket you have and whether you have the citation number, you'll know exactly which lookup tool to use.